In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask an image into a shape. This is a fun and creative way to give your images a unique look and can add visual interest to your designs. Whether you're creating digital art, designing a logo, or simply playing around with graphics, masking is an essential technique to learn. Let's begin by placing the image you want to mask onto your canvas. You can use any image you like, whether it's a personal photo or one you've downloaded from a stock image site. Once you have your image positioned on the canvas, make sure it's where you want it to be overall. You can move it a bit later once it's masked, but having a general idea of its placement now can save you some time. Now you'll want to create the shape that you want to mask your image into. This can be anything from a simple circle or rectangle to more complex shapes like stars or custom designs. Think about the end result you want to achieve, and choose a shape that complements the image you're working with. You can draw the shape directly on your canvas using your design software's shape tool. Keep in mind that the size and position of this shape will determine the portion of the image that will be visible once the mask is applied. With both the image and the shape on your canvas, the next step is to select them. You can do this by clicking on one, holding down the Shift key, and then clicking on the other. Selecting them together is crucial because it tells the software that these two elements are the ones you're working with. After you've selected both, right-click to bring up the context menu. In this menu, you'll find the option that says Use as Mask. Go ahead and click that. What this does is apply the shape as a mask to the image, showing only the parts of the image that fit within the shape's boundaries. It's a neat trick that really gives the image that wow factor. Now the mask is in place, but you might need to adjust the image position inside the mask to get it just right. Sometimes the initial application might not perfectly align your image the way you hoped, so you might need to tweak it a little. Click and drag the image to reposition it as needed. You can also resize the image by clicking and dragging its corners if you need to zoom in or out to better fit the mask. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Practice makes perfect, and you'll find the process becomes quicker and more intuitive with experience. And there you have it, a beautifully masked image, perfectly shaped to your creative vision. This technique can really elevate your design work, and with a little experimentation, you'll discover endless possibilities for how it can be applied to all sorts of projects. Happy masking!